shoot. Inilapit ng konti. He got tied up momentarily. Then Juan releases. He can't get it to drop. Last 2 minutes now brought to us by Sports Plus. Converge with a chance to make this a one-possession game. Strings. Oh, he got there, but couldn't put that one in.
Well, he saw the opening, was not able to knock down that shot. Oh, good defense by Anisi.
Now Bounty gets it. Tipped away. They're gonna call a foul on Maverick Anisi. Nakahawak kay Justin Arana.
No challenge yet, huh?
And not in penalty though. So it's gonna be just an inbound on the side or the base. Jalen Hudson binalik. Upo na si Mikey Williams. 2 points, so 1 of 13 from the field. Anong porsyento niyan? Si Dr. J na makakasama.
Oo.
Hudson.
Shot clock.
Yeah, it's down to a second to go. I don't know if one can even... Oh, that's it. Wala, not counted yan. Pumasok, yes. Great shot because he's a shot maker, but that's not gonna count at all. No way. Re-reviewin pa rin ni referee Peter Balaw. Siyempre.
Didn't seem like Hudson was set for that shot. Diba, kakapasok lang niya. Didn't seem like he wanted that ball and wanted to take that shot.
Wala, 0-0 talaga. Way past deadline. These are lapses we've seen. Even NLEX the other night, up 23 and then losing big lead, almost just winning by 1, and almost losing another big lead yesterday was NLEX. And 11 rebounds and 5 assists as well.
40 points. Big night for him. 19 of 34. Taking a lot more attempts from the field.
Well, a lot of the Terra Firma Gunners have been off kasi sa game na ito. Although, as of late, nag-pick up na si Wami ng konti. Nakakatulong na rin si Maverick. Katapusan also has been a part of this comeback attempt. Somebody has to come get it. Sakto lang. Almost a violation. Kwame 3. Yes!
Cannot leave him alone. Reads that pick and roll so well. Wami Chongson. They've been waiting each from each group.
Tama.
And then yung nasa group A1, kalaban yung B4.
Yes. Ganun yun, yung crossover na higher versus lower. 2 versus 3, ganun. Okay, malaking possession ito. Although, kahit makashoot sila rito, unless it's a 3, makes it a 2 possession game. Hudson will settle for the 3, and that's still all. Who's gonna get it?
Good
Keep it alive.
Verge. They needed that.
Concepcion go cross court kay Hudson. He's been off. Will he try it again? Go to Bounty, has to hoist it. Couldn't get it. Aljon Mariano with the rebound. Pagkakataon makatabla o makalamang ang Terra Firma. Their comeback last game fell short. Will it be successful now? What defense? Look at the D! Aljon thought he had it. Still not over though. They take a foul.
Pero kita mo lang yung maturity nito si Mava Anisi. Hinanap niya yung Wami Chongson. Wami Chongson played that play well, gave up that basketball to Mariano, but last line of defense in Justin Balcazar able to get a hand on that basketball.
And clean, di ba? Hindi mo pwedeng i-contest na goaltending yon or whatever unless he slapped the board or touched the net or something, but he did not. Well, that's what Balti really has to do. He's the one who can be a shot blocker
Yes,
compared to
ring protector talaga siya.
even if Rana had a nice block
Yep.
earlier as well, but that's not his thing.
Taller, longer,
Oh yeah.
and really jumps for those shots.
So once 17.6 to go, still anybody's ball game, dog. Yeah, ito yung mga instructions na nagagaling dyan. To the clock.
Let's see who they're gonna go to.
And they have that whole time, Parker, and hindi 14 eh. Juan is fouled by Juami. And still not in penalty. Ay, hindi. Oh, that's right. So still a side court inbound. Wala na yung yung one foul in the last couple of minutes that would put you in penalty on the
Penalty
second.
already.
Wala na yan. Terrafirma sends Brent Paraiso into the game. CJ Katapusan will sit. You gotta love the fight back that Terrafirma has shown though, but you know, they would want it to turn into a W at least somewhere along the way. Could this be it? We'll see. If not, this would be a second time in a row that they come back, have a chance and fall short kung sakasakali. And they're reviewing something. Just can't recall. Yung kanyang pangalan. Here's Archie, still looking for someone to go to. He was in a bind, he's tipped away. Terrafirma gets it. Juami thinking three, but can't take it. The import is in front of him. He goes to Strings. Strings to Maverick for the win. No! They hung on to it till the end and could have won it. Similar to the last ball.